Yeah, that's cool as fuck.
How you doing, man?
Nice, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with that road cam video, and today I got my scooter and I got my family out with me. We are at the, what is it? The little Econ Greenway. So this place, I guess it's just a small trail, just Orange County Parks and Recreation. It says it's open to sunrise to sunset. It's about 7 miles is what I heard. I saw it on the GPS and I wanted to stop by and check it out. So we're gonna take you guys with us. I hope you guys enjoy the view. Before we do that, of course, let's do a couple clips so you guys can see that that Kaabo scooter that I've been riding around. Let's check it out. How you doing, man?
Nice, man.
62 miles per hour.
Oh shit, so that's not a toy.
Oh yeah, no toy, man. Catch anything? Yeah.
It makes like a pattern.
Alright, so we're gonna take this trail, gonna ride around. Gonna put on some music. You guys wanna listen to some music? Alright, I'm gonna put on the music. You guys come here a lot?
No, we don't.
Look, bro.
Oh, wow.
Are those ostrich?
No.
Emu, right? Yeah. That's emu. That's in someone's backyard.
Wait, what?
Those are emu.
What they got emus for?
That's an emu right there. They're like a big bird. Go, Lily, go. Don't be scared. Yay. How cool is this? Pause the music for now. How'd you do that? That was you stopping? That was pretty cool. Let's go down this way, guys. Go.
Hey, there's a playground.
I got it on video. Seven. Go, guys, go. Guys, wait a second.
Come here, you chew up.
little pouch. Look, his little eyes are watering and stuff.
I'm gonna get behind you so that way I don't scare the lady. Wow. Let's go. Come on, dude. Go fast, Lily. All the way down. Go, Lily, go. Be careful. Don't turn fast. Just go straight. Wow, we're going on a little trail. Whoa. Let's go to the left. Last time I went to the right. Alright, so let's head back to the other side, see if we can get a little bit more footage before we wrap it up. This is the, what is the name of this park, man? I almost forgot, man. But anyway, man, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. My family and I got to do a quick ride, and I always like to come back and do a quick ride just so that way you guys can see stuff like this. That's pretty cool. It's just something different for the area. You guys can see the houses around, and this is just straight through the residential area. And it is super cold today, guys. Up and over, baby. Woo! Let's see how far we can go. Yes, my old lady is waiting, but I always like to blast through real quick. This is the speed I would be going through if I was by myself. see how quick I got here. Got here in no time, guys. My ears are blasting cold. Blasting cold. Woo! So much fun, man. And this is the long strip, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around now. And we'll blast back, see how fast we can get back. And it's so much nicer going back this way because there's less wind. Woo! Always crouch down when you're riding fast. You just never know what to expect. How you doing? All right.